How to check Walmart gift card balance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can check your Walmart gift card balance, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to check your Walmart account's gift card balance, all you have to do is basically, first of all, go to your browser and simply come to this URL, which I'll also make sure to drop a link below, which will directly take you to the page where you can simply check your Walmart gift card balance. When you come to this page, which is the official URL as you can find it, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your card number. Once you enter your card number, you can also simply enter your PIN. Once you enter either of those, you can just tap the check balance option, and then you'll be able to simply check your Walmart gift card balance. This way you'll be able to check your Walmart gift card balance online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.